Men aren't weak because of genetics. They're weak because of choices, comfort, excuses, fear. The modern world rewards softness, and most men are silently falling apart. If you're tired of feeling lost, passive, or overlooked, these are the 10 brutal reasons why men today are weak and how to fix them. No fluff, just truth. 1. Lack of discipline. Discipline is the foundation of strength, mentally, physically, and emotionally. Yet so many men today struggle with it. They procrastinate, skip workouts, break promises to themselves, and indulge in instant gratification. This lack of discipline breeds weakness over time. Without self-discipline, goals remain dreams, potential remains untapped, and confidence crumbles. Men who fail to control their impulses become slaves to their desires, whether it's scrolling endlessly on social media, binge-watching shows, or chasing fleeting pleasures. The solution? Start small. Build habits, not motivation. Create a routine and stick to it no matter how you feel. Develop mental toughness by doing hard things consistently. Work out when you don't feel like it. Wake up early and challenge yourself daily. Strength isn't built overnight. It's forged through consistent effort. 2. Avoiding responsibility. Many men today refuse to take ownership of their lives. They blame others for their failures, society, family, or bad luck, never realizing this mindset keeps them stuck. True strength comes from taking responsibility, even for things that aren't your fault. Life is unfair, but complaining solves nothing. The harsh reality is that no one is coming to save you. You must be the hero of your own story. Own your mistakes, learn from them, and focus on what you can control. Men who embrace responsibility become leaders. Those who don't stay stuck in mediocrity. Fix this by refusing to make excuses. Own your actions, decisions, and outcomes. You'll become more confident, resilient, and capable of handling life's challenges. Men who own their lives win at life. 3. Lack of mental toughness. Men today are soft. They crumble under pressure, avoid discomfort, and run from adversity. It's easy to be mentally tough when life is easy. But true strength is proven when life punches you in the face. Most men avoid pain and discomfort, seeking comfort and safety instead. They avoid challenges, refuse to take risks, and fear failure. This mindset keeps them weak. Life is hard, and running from problems only makes you weaker. To build mental toughness, embrace hardship, seek discomfort, train hard, push your limits, and do things that scare you. View challenges as opportunities for growth. A strong man faces adversity head-on and emerges stronger. A weak man avoids it and stays weak. 4. Dress like your image matters, because it does. Style is a reflection of how much you value yourself. If you look like you just rolled out of bed, people will assume your life is in the same condition. You don't need designer clothes. You need well-fitted, clean, intentional outfits. Stick to timeless masculine styles, solid colors, tailored jeans, a fitted tee, clean shoes, a subtle scent. If you look put together, she'll assume everything else is too. 5. Fear of failure. Fear of failure keeps men stuck in their comfort zones. They avoid risks, stay in safe jobs, and never pursue their true passions. This fear is paralyzing, robbing them of experiences, opportunities, and growth. The truth is, failure is inevitable if you want to achieve greatness. It's a part of success, not the opposite. Every successful man has failed countless times. The difference is, they got back up. Weak men let failure define them. Strong men learn and push forward. Change your mindset. See failure as feedback, not defeat. Take risks, make mistakes, and keep moving forward. A man who isn't failing isn't trying hard enough. 6. Lack of purpose. A purposeless man is a weak man. Without a clear direction, life feels meaningless. Men without purpose drift through life, lost, unfocused, and easily influenced. They chase temporary pleasures and avoid discomfort because they lack a vision for their future. Purpose drives ambition and strength. It gives you a reason to push through challenges and makes sacrifices. A man on a mission commands respect. He knows who he is and where he's going. If you lack purpose, start by identifying your passions, skills, and values. Set clear goals that align with who you want to become. A man with a mission becomes unstoppable. 7. Over-reliance on comfort and technology. Modern technology has made life easier, but it's also made men weaker. Instant access to information, entertainment, and convenience has stripped away the need for hard work and struggle. Men no longer need to hunt, build, or protect. They just scroll, click, and consume. Comfort is the enemy of strength. Growth requires discomfort, sweat, effort, and sacrifice. Men who embrace hard work become strong. Those who avoid it become weak. Fix this by embracing discomfort. Train hard, challenge yourself physically and mentally, and push your limits. Reclaim your strength by doing things the hard way. 8. Lack of strong male role models. Many men today grow up without strong role models. Boys are raised by society, media, and broken systems that push toxic narratives. They lack guidance on how to become resilient, assertive, and self-reliant. This void leaves men lost, unsure of who they are or what it means to be a man. Weakness and passivity replace confidence and strength. Seek out mentors and positive influences, men who embody the traits you admire. Learn from their experiences, adopt their habits, and model their success. Surrounding yourself with strong men transforms you into one. 9. Submissiveness and lack of boundaries. Weak men allow themselves to be pushed around. They fear confrontation, say yes when they mean no, and let others dictate their lives. This lack of boundaries shows weakness and invites disrespect. A strong man knows his worth. He sets clear boundaries, speaks his mind, and isn't afraid to walk away. Being agreeable for the sake of peace destroys confidence and self-respect. Fix this by asserting yourself. Speak up when you feel wronged. Say no when needed. Stand firm in your beliefs and values. A man who respects himself demands respect from others. 10. Living in the past or future, not the present. Weak men dwell on the past or worry about the future, paralyzed by regret or fear. They waste mental energy on things they can't control instead of taking action now. This mindset keeps them stuck, robbing them of confidence and growth. Strength comes from living in the present, acting with purpose and focus. Let go of past mistakes and future worries. Focus on what you can do today. Accept that life is unpredictable. The strongest men adapt, stay grounded, and make the most of the present moment.